Alright, today is a special day because we got new parts. Let's take a look. Bing! Already opened it. It is a new slip-on exhaust from Hotbodies Racing. Look at that. I think it might sound wicked loud. We'll see, right? Let's go.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so yesterday put on these CRG bar and mirrors. These new Rage Cycles block off, mirror block off for these. This stock exhaust. Get started. So some tools I'll be using is a couple of extensions, 3/8 ratchet, 4mm Allen wrench, 5mm Allen wrench socket, and 8mm Allen wrench socket. All right, let's go. Seat off first. Also need a 10mm socket or wrench. Be right back. Be right back. Alright y'all, here's the deal. Got my 10mm socket. I'm gonna install this exhaust. Y'all don't need to see that. Y'all see, there's plenty of videos out there for that. So I'm just gonna cut to the part where I have it installed. Peace. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the CBR600RR. I actually put the stock fender back on. I actually like it like that. Nice. Right there. I got the TST Industry lights on there. That sounds so good. Holy shit. Performance wise, it might be a little bit faster. The throttle response is a bit better. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh, that's amazing. Exhaust is amazing. If you own a CBR600 and you want an exhaust, I fully recommend the Hotbodies Stinger exhaust. It sounds amazing. It doesn't reach out, it doesn't extend out that far, but I think you'll love the sound anyways, aesthetically speaking. And definitely people can hear me. This bike did a complete 180 as of yesterday.